Yes.
Coach, muntik na kayong makaulit sa San Miguel, but
They're tough. You know, talagang, you know, I think we played well naman tonight. No? Just not enough to win the game. Yan. Yun. Like the last, mga one-on-one na lang sila, one-on-one, and you know. San Miguel is really a tough team. Imagine, maski wala si John Mar, haba ng inupo, pati yung import, haba rin inupo, and they still, you know, we led, pero ganun lang, you know, striking distance pa lang. So, malakas naman sila talaga. Basta kami, laro, do the best, game plan, and then hope for the best.
Coach, 3 straight na yata kayo.
Yeah.
That's
That's the way the game is. You know, hindi naman pwede puro panalo. Siyempre, ang importante naman dyan is just being able to come back. You know, at least play a better game that you did when you lost the game. Like for example, Blackwater, terrible. But I thought we played, you know, we played well, but it's not enough. It just wasn't enough to win the game.
Coach, obviously lumabas na eh, but can you comment on
No, I think they're
JB
coming out
Mocon?
with they're coming out with the press.
Meron na, coach, eh.
Bukas.
but
So-
hindi pa approved?
Ayun, yeah.
But can you comment on yung Timocon na
Yeah, wala naman. I don't know. I don't know. It's bad to say, no? Coach ka, hindi mo alam, di ba? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where he will fit in. Yeah. I think that's you, Dom. Yeah.
pa ba? Coach, may bago na ba kayo import? Siya ba yung
Hindi po. Nandyan. Pero, yeah, hindi pa siya na... Nag-memo na yata ng official measurement.